In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to pin comment on YouTube in mobile. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this video useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about YouTube topics. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to pin comments on YouTube in mobile. Super easy. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you have YouTube Studio app download and install on your phone, whether you are using tab or Android phone or iPhone. Just make sure you have this app installed. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the app to open it. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the video link. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the comment you want to pin. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. Next thing you need to do is to click on pin. Then click on pin. So comment pin, it's as simple as that. So this is how to pin comment on YouTube in mobile, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about YouTube topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.